from SMS College of Technology. So in this video, let's see what is Concord. And already I have uploaded three videos, introduction and rule number 1 to 2, 1 to 4 and 4 to 6 I have uploaded. And in this video, let's see rule number 8, 8 to 10. So let me give you a recall of this Concord. What is Concord? So Concord is nothing but it's a kind of subject verb agreement. You have to know what the where you have to use singular, whether the sentences is singular or plural. You already know that what subject and verb are in a sentence. You already know it. So subject in a noun or pronoun that tells us what the sentence talks about, and verb represent the action in the sentence. Then what is subject verb agreement? It means that it can be tell it as concord or agreement. It means that the subject and verb in a sentence should agree or match, which means it is singular or plural. Otherwise, the sentence will not sound right. Let's understand the basic rules of subject verb agreement. And the first, I am not going to give you examples. I'll just tell you what is first rule. The verb and the subject must agree in number. It is singular or plural. And rule number two is the number of the subject will not change due to the word phrases in between the subject and the verb. Rule number three is subject that are joined by and. In a sentence, use plural verb subject that are joined by either or, neither nor. Either or, which means these or that, which means it might be a singular one. Either like other. So it will be like singular one. Example, neither Akshya nor Rohit is coming. So in this one, any one is coming. So you have to go with singular form. And rule number four is the verb in a sentence content are either or, neither nor agrees with the noun or pronoun closest to it. Rule number five, when the subject is followed by words such as well as, along with, beside, not, etc., ignore them and use a singular verb in the sentence single. In sentences that begin with the here, there, and the true subject usually follow the verb. Rule number seven, in the sentence that includes sum of money, periods of time, or distance, etc., as a unit, it is singular form. So, rule number eight, in the case of words such as a lots of, all, some, etc., in a sentence, pay attention to the noun after of. If the noun after of is singular, then use a singular verb. If plural, use a singular plural verb. So here. Rule number 9. So, rule number 9, in the case of collective nouns such as group, population, family in a sentence, the verb can be singular or plural depending on the sentence. So, many people think that group, which means there will be number of people. So, group, it always comes under plural. It's not like that. Group, there might be multiple number of people, but the thing is that is one group, a single group or multiple group. You have to understand the sentence. If they are telling you as group, it is singular one. But if they are adding that group in a sentence, you have to know whether it is singular sentence or multiple sentence or plural sentence. I mean, so you have to understand the sentence and then you have to give whether it is singular. If it is singular, you can go with is or was. If it is plural, you have to suppose to go with or where. Clear? I hope you can understand. I have given some example. Most of my family is here. Or you can also add most of my family are here. Both are correct. So this is what rule number 9. So, rule number 10 is nouns such as mathematics, civics, news, etc., while plural in form or singular in the meaning and use singular verb. Example, many people thinks that mathematics, which means there we have added yes. So, you should not supposed to go with it as plural form because without yes, the word could not be fulfilled. For example, mathematic, civic, news. It could, if you cut that yes, it will become as new. The meaning of the word will be changed. New is different and news is different. So you have supposed to know that mathematics, civics, news, all those things are, it should be supposed to tell it as singular form of the verb. For example, mathematics is very difficult subject, or it will be very easy subject. Mathematics is very easy subject. News, the news is very saddening. The news is very interesting. The civics is my favorite subject, so you could not able to cut that s. Even if there is s, it is singular of the verb. You should not supposed to add as mathematics are very difficult for some people. It's wrong. So you're supposed to add is in that sentence. I hope you people enjoyed this lesson, subject verb agreement, and also it's very useful for your daily life. Thank you for listening.